All right, welcome back. So if you're just joining us here, this is a walkthrough of our new application called MDPM, which is an application that goes directly into your Dynamics 365, Microsoft Dynamics 365, to get you better insight. As you can see on the left hand side, if you have Dynamics 365, it could be the CRM or the ERP module that you have, and any application that's connected to it that feeds in data into it, you can use our new system called MDPM to get better and faster insights. So today in front of you, I'm walking through the data analysis tab. I've done previous videos where I cover the other tabs, so do take time to have a look at them before you come to this tab. So for the data analysis tab, what can you do with it? So you can do data analysis and visualization of your Dynamics 365 data. So the next bit now, as you can see, I am going to do a little walk through the features that we have, the purpose of this particular tab. So as you can see here, we are in the tab. What can it do? What's the purpose? You can run advanced querying and data visualization. What are the features here? We have number 1 up to number 4 different things you can do. The first here on the list here, number 1, you can run complex data queries with filters, sorting, and expansions. It's all left for you. Also, you can visualize the data with charts and graph. You can also perform pivot analysis through intuitive drag and drop interfaces. And you can finally export to CSV or PDF as you wish. So coming to the right hand side, as you can see, this is kind of a snapshot of what you'll be seeing. We are now in the data analysis tab, as I've pointed here. Let me circle it here. Now, what will you see? The normal tabs on the normal tables you've loaded, and in the main section here, you can see you have where you can select the specific table you wish to work in. Also, the environment, you go further. This is where you can kind of put in your queries how you prefer. You write the queries here, and if you want to drill down to a particular column that you like to visualize, this is where you kind of put in the column or list the columns that you prefer to visualize. Where are you going to see the visualization? On the right hand side, this is where the visualization will show up. On the left hand side, this is your analysis of what you have run. If you put a query here, the result shows up here. Alright, that was a short and simple overview of what you can see. We come down to the left hand side. The use case is kind of endless. As you can see, you can use it to run simple to advanced business intelligence queries. You can also use it to run detailed reports or data exploration. Alright, so I am in the next video, I am going to physically show you queries that you can run in and how it really looks in real life operation. Thank you very much.